This is a really quick review of the Screwmagnet and how this can be a great addition to a toolbox and has some really useful applications. You can see it's got a clip on the back of it so you can put it on a belt and things, but the main thing about it is that it's a torriodal magnet, unlike most of the others on the market which are simply a magnet behind a metal plate. Now what that means is if I put a screw in the middle of it, it really doesn't want to stay there. It holds the screws on the edge, and that has some interesting applications, so one of which I'll just show you now. What I found really helpful with this magnet is because it holds the screws in the position that you actually put it on around the outer edge, that if I'm working on something and I want to put the screws back in the same place, it really helps that one. So what I've done is I've just done a little template here, marked out 16 screw positions, and then either done it left, right, front, back, unnumbered, whatever. So whichever one I'm doing, depending on the application, just simply get hold of the magnet and I cut round the template. I can pop out that and then put it onto the screw magnet. Because it holds it really well, I just get a couple of old staples and put them on. Having put the template on top of the screw magnet, what that allows me to do now is that when I'm working, I take a screw out and want to put it back in the same place, I can just put it onto the appropriate place and it holds it exactly where it was left, so I know which order I need to use to reassemble things. I found that really useful, just to make sure I'm putting the right screw back in the right place, especially when you've got the same size of screw but a different depth of, and it's easy to get them swapped over. So I found that a really useful quick little application of it. I've been using this with some upholstering that I've been doing. It's really handy just to catch all the odd bent staples that end up being produced. The ability just to throw them at the magnet, let them catch it, don't worry about them, carry on with your job. Really useful application. Here's a quick test just to show you how strong the magnet actually is. This is my 10-inch adjustable screwdriver. It's got no problem holding that up at all. Thank you for watching this quick review. If you can like and subscribe, that would be even better. Thank you for watching.